Have you been looking for psychometric assessment for your educational setup and you came across lots of websites which were giving them for free, and then there were websites which has been asking for a fee, and then you thought, why pay a fee when you are getting it for free? Hi, I am Survi Devra, founder Career Guide, and after conducting more than 1 million psychometric assessment and being instrumental in designing 30 plus psychometric tests, I can tell you how do you define a winning psychometric product. But before that, I want to ask you a question. If ever you fall sick, to whom will you consult? A generalist doctor or a specialist? Bingo! My answer matches with yours. A specialist, right? Definitely. And that's what I'm coming to the point. When you are looking for a psychometric assessment for your educational setup, you look for an organization's expertise and their specialization. Yes, you are looking for a specialist in the direction. So here, I'm going to tell you what makes a winning psychometric test. First point, there's nothing called free lunch. If you're getting a report for free, that means you are the product. You are being sold a biased report or your data being sold. Second, more number of pages is not equal to a good psychometric report. Yes, so don't get fooled by 30 plus report, 40 plus report, 20 plus report pages. Third, look for simplicity, not complexity. You don't want a child's report, a student's report, or a candidate's report to be designed like a medical prescription which either a doctor can read or a pharmacist. Yes, you need a simple report. Fourth, conclusiveness. If your report is not giving a conclusion in first few pages, then that report is not meant for you. And fifth, look for actionables, look for data pointer, look for actions which a candidate can take. Yes, these are 5 pointers which makes a good psychometric assessment and a good psychometric report. And now I invite all of you to come have a look at Career Guide Psychometric Assessment, and I assure you, your educational effort and your educational impact will grow many folds in a scalable manner. Come, have a look, click on the link below.